What's up, everybody? Here Ivan gonna do this quick video, a demo video. How I'm making 800 a pop on Craigslist. Not recruiting. Super simple. Let me show you. This is my post. Where is this service? Computer or create? Oh, on creator. I think I put on this one. So I posted on June 12th. No, 11 right here. So yes, this is my post. I'm a graphic designer. I'm getting a lot of sales on this post. So I just go with Fiverr. I'm a graphic designer. So I just go with Fiverr and like people are interested in business or club flyers, and I would just go to Fiverr, sorry, and find club flyers. When people message me, they need how much do I charge them for a design for a club flyer. So I just go to Fiverr. I just told them I just go first to Fiverr and look for someone that's like they will do it for cheap, like this one, $10, 300. Okay, quality. There's a quality. Unlimited. This is very important. Unlimited revisions. You have one or two, it's not even worth it. The delivery too, because maybe they need it fast. So $10, I will go with this one and message this person. I will charge you $100. In 3 days you will have it. Okay, that was awesome. 3 days, and that's it. Boom. $90 commission just for being the middleman. I'm not doing this. I'm hiring someone from Fiverr, so I'm just being the middleman. I've been doing this for a couple of weeks. I've been getting 200, 100, 300. I'm not very active, but usually I'm posting on my local city, and I've been getting 100, 200, the most 800. This one, it was today, but it's a different strategy, different posting. This one, 800. I got from a lawyer. I was doing explainers video. I put a post on explainers videos, commercials for business, and this lawyer contacted me. How much he told me how much the quote, and I told him 800. No, I told him usually I charge 1,000, but since your first gig with me, I will give you a $200 discount, 800. Oh, he said, oh, awesome. How do I pay? I told him by PayPal, but after the work it was done and everything, so I said, oh, okay, awesome. I was gonna give you like 200 for now, and then the other. Okay, that's awesome. But yeah, my PayPal, I gotta edit this. My PayPal just got limited, suspended, so that's why I'm accepting Burmo right now. Burmo, it's cool, like PayPal. But yeah, all this, I copy all this from Fiverr, someone from Fiverr, and that's it. You gotta watch out, they don't have watermarks, because usually like this one doesn't have watermark. You copy this one, you wanna post on flyers, if you're doing flyers. But yeah, I don't know, video explainer for lawyers. I think I paid like $50. He want a 60-second video, good quality, 1020p quality HD. But usually I pay like $50, 45. I don't recall. Yeah, 50 for the fees and everything on Fiverr. But I made like 77 and 50 commissions just for being the middleman. Usually I was gonna learn this long time ago, before CPA marketing, but I knew how to start, how to post, how to respond to people, because you gotta know all that. or else you won't make the sale. But I already know everything, what to say, this and that. I have a training course. It's not mine, where I learned all this. I'm new to this, but this person has been doing for years. So he knows what's up. That's how I make those 800 a pop. Videos, explainers. You make a lot of money. So you want this course from this guy? Join my team. Join my team on Take It, Flip It Hub. I already did a video review last week on my Facebook wall. So check it out, how it works. I made like 2,000 in profits on reselling tickets. So check it out. It's $75 to start, and then $25 a month to get the stop alerts. Stop alerts are the ones that they're not selling them to the public. They're on pre-sale, so you can get them for free. No, for free. Sorry, for cheap, very cheap, and then sell them in a couple days for profit. You can sell them and get like 2,000 in profit if you buy the ones in front of the stage where the singers are singing. Those are the ones that were a lot of money. But it's tricky now. I already saw the videos, and usually my wife is the one that's doing this. But I already did a video review, so check it out. I can put this video on YouTube, so you can check the description. I can on the review that I did. So join this course, and I will give you this so you can bank too on Craigslist, CL, and Fiverr, both being the middleman. So you can stop on Facebook. I've been seeing a lot of people on Facebook daily posting, trying to make it happen, posting their business. But usually I know when I post on Facebook, like 20% join when they're asking information. I know what's up. There's a lot of tire kickers and that. So usually that's why you don't see me a lot on a daily basis posting on my Facebook wall. Usually just run the Facebook group and that's it. Facebook group poster and just leave it run, and people will be asking for information. But yeah, join this. It's $75 to start and then $25 a month. So you can make money on flipping tickets.